Hey friends, welcome back to Akar Physics classes. We are going through a series of sessions and the chapter is motion. The session number 18 is here in front of you. Okay, the chapter is motion, class 9th chapter, series 8 board. In the previous session, I have given you a question that the uniform speed. If a body is moving along a circular path, if the body is moving along a circular path with a uniform speed, and when we talk about uniform speed, it means equal distances are covered in equal intervals of time, which shows that the speed becomes constant here. And if speed is constant, we say that there is no acceleration. Isn't it? In linear path we have seen that there is no acceleration, but in case of circular motion this is not correct. In case of circular motion, the speed if becomes constant, still we say that there is acceleration going on. Acceleration takes place. Acceleration takes place in circular motion, in circular path. Acceleration takes place in circular path in spite of speed being constant, in spite of speed constant. So how is it possible? It is possible. Let us recall the things which we have studied in the previous video. I have discussed in the previous video about circular path and circular motion. As I have told you that circular path is made up of indefinite number of tiny sides. Can you see tiny sides are there in the circular path, and if tiny sides are there, it means direction of the moving body is going to change continuously, because we have seen in the square track, you can see here in the square track the direction was being changed 4 times. In the hexagonal track the direction was being changed 6 times. In the decagon you can see here 10 times the direction is changing. But in case of circular motion, circular path, you can see indefinite number of times the direction is changing, because we are having indefinite number of turns here. Direction is changing, indefinite number of sides are there. That is why, since indefinite number of sides are there and the direction is changing, that is the main reason that the direction is changing, so acceleration is taking place. So what is the reason behind here? Speed is constant, but still the direction is continuously changing. And we know that rate of change of velocity, by the definition of acceleration, what we can say, rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. What do we say? Rate of change of velocity is acceleration, or in other words we can say that change of velocity with time is acceleration. What does it mean? What actually it means? It means that speed is constant, though speed is constant, but as soon as we talk about, when we are talking about a speed, we never talk about direction. But when we talk about speed and we are talking as well as about direction, that means speed is constant but direction is not. Direction is continuously changing. Direction is continuously changing. And since we are considering speed with direction, it means we are talking about velocity. The very first thing which you have to keep in your mind is what? We are talking about velocity here. And in this case, speed is constant, but the direction is changing, and that is why we consider that there is rate of change of velocity. That is why we consider that there is rate of change of velocity, or change of velocity is happening, is taking place in case of, with time, in case of this circular motion, and that is why we say that the acceleration is occurring here. There is this motion is accelerated here. I hope you have understood this fact. You have to be very, very clear with this concept, that if the speed is not changing but the direction is changing, if the speed is not changing but the direction is changing, still the motion is going to be said to be accelerated. Understood? Though the speed may not change, the direction of motion may change. The direction of motion is changing continuously. That is why we say that there is acceleration taking place in case of circular path. Okay, understood? Thank you.